Yes, please start the session.
Yeah, hi Swati.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, so you had queries?
Yes, I got the mail, that WhatsApp message about the reply.
Okay. Since you had few queries, so like I replied according to that. So do you have any like question in that?
No, those queries got resolved. No problem.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you want to proceed with the work?
Yes, madam.
Okay. And regarding AWS, as I mentioned that we will try with Google Colab first, and for that you will be using Colab Pro because Google Colab, the default one is only giving 12 GB RAM, which is not sufficient for big data. So for Collab Pro, we are getting 24 GB, I guess, or 32 GB maybe. So yeah, we can start with that, and then after that, we if it is required, then we can check with this one AWS. Okay, and another thing is, as I mentioned you that could you check the because you are getting error for that, so I mentioned that check for if it is the memory error or if there is any program error. So did you check
Yes,
for that?
madam. Yes, I checked for that. There was a memory error only because
Okay,
I put the instruction about to generate the log file as per
okay.
the
Mhm.
execution of program. So there
Okay,
was a memory error.
okay, so you are using Collab Pro, right?
Yes,
At that time, like the analysis that you did.
right.
So there we are, you already have 32 GB when you are working, right?
Yes, actually, I got subscription only for 1 month. So again, I need to apply for subscription.
Yeah, that's
So
fine, but
now
at the
I can't check
time.
how much was the memory, that I don't remember.
Okay, so
Actually, I have not checked that one.
at the time when you are doing analysis, so was it like 1 month already completed of subscription, or you were into subscription at that time?
Yes, now 1 month get completed.
Okay, so at that time, I think you had 32 GB memory.
Okay. I have
Yeah.
not checked actually, so
Okay.
I
Okay, so
just.
no problem. Let's
Mhm.
start with Collab Pro only first, and
Okay.
we can see if it is required, then we can move to AWS.
Yes.
And
And
yeah.
once we train the model, suppose we are
Mhm.
using AWS,
Yeah.
and once we train the model, after training the model to check it for other data set,
Mhm.
then I think we don't require those many resources once we got the model trained.
Yeah, right. So it also depends on like the other data set. If they are also of larger size, then we need. But maybe we can after that we can use that in Collab Pro.
Because other data sets are not much larger, only the data set which you are going to use for training, that is a large data set.
Okay. Okay. So for that time being, we can use AWS. So whatever is mandatory, then only we will be doing the expense. Otherwise, we can work with Collab Pro. Okay.
Okay, madam. Yes.
Yeah. So don't worry
And
about.
do we need to deploy that model on that open source platform like Hugging Face or anything, so that
Uh,
we can extract it just for the testing our result?
yeah, I think we can also deploy it like in our local machine, like or any local platform where like it is not open source for like other users to use, just to check for the like performance of your model. And also
Mm.
Finally, when it is like performing well,
Mm.
then we need to deploy it for your web application.
Right, right.
Yeah. So at that time, we will be deploying it within the web application, but not before
Mm.
that. Before that, we
Okay,
can use it on localhost.
okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah. So yeah, so okay, so let's start the work. And also, would you prefer like connecting via maybe a WhatsApp group or in Telegram, so that if there is any query or any update, I need
Mm.
to like share with you, so that we can contact rather than directly connecting on the weekends.
Yes, that will be good.
Yeah. So okay, so we will talk. I will talk with maybe Bhavani is there, I think. So is it possible, Bhavani, we can have a WhatsApp group for the discussion?
Okay, Kasana. I think the Telegram group is already active for the service, right?
Yeah, but it
Okay,
is
I
not
can understand.
specific
I can
to
understand.
one student, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is kind of
I will just discuss this with Mahesh and let you know. Okay, either
yeah,
Telegram or WhatsApp.
yeah,
Anything will be fine, right?
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
If it's WhatsApp, then it will be more feasible for
Okay, I can
both of
understand.
us.
Sure.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. And regarding other things, I think we can start the project now. And also, I will be sharing you flowchart by Wednesday, Swati, so that you
Okay.
can see that what steps we are going to take for the
Mm.
first half of the project. And you can
Mm.
mention, and along the analysis we may need to modify few things, so that I will be updating you in the group alongside.
Okay.
Yeah. And I am not sure, Bhavani, do we need to discuss regarding the payments, or like Dr. Mahesh?
Regarding payments, I think quotation has already been made to Swati, and Swati might
Yeah,
have gone through that, right? Swati
Yes,
are
ma'am.
already
Yes.
aware of
yeah,
so
okay.
yeah.
Okay, that's fine then. Okay, sure. So we'll start the project from tomorrow, and let's connect for the first session on the weekend. Meanwhile, in the group, I will be updating as I am performing the analysis here, and the scripts will be shared to you so that you can run it there itself. And when I'm working with AWS, you can also join me uh,
Okay.
through remote desktop or even TeamViewer, so that
Mm-hmm.
analysis you can see there as well.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sure. So I think that's it.
Mm-hmm.
If you have any query, then you can let me know. Or if you also for a flowchart like of your whole project, so if you want the stringent same steps that you have added in the flowchart that you made, or if we have the flexibility that we can modify, then also let me know, so that accordingly I can go ahead.
Actually, while implementing the project, we will come to know if there is any modification required.
Yeah, right. So that's why I'm asking that if the flowchart that you have made, so this you have made based on different papers, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Shall I
yeah. So,
share those reference papers?
uh, okay. If these are from other papers which are not shared in the proposal, so you can share me those papers so that I can also go through.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so you can share as soon as the group is generated, so that I can see there. Okay.
Okay. Or shall I mail it to that mail ID SBC, that mail ID?
In email ID also you can share, but maybe it will be better if everything is keeping in a group. so that you can directly share the link of the papers, not the PDFs.
Okay, no problem. I have the PDFs
Kasana,
also.
shall I create a Google Drive so that she can
Yeah,
upload it in the drive?
yeah, that will be fine. Yeah.
That will be better. So I can upload
Okay.
data set, all references.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
that will be
Okay.
better.
Yeah, definitely. Then we can do one thing. I will be creating a drive and we'll be sharing with
Mm.
both of you so that you can connect to that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And also regarding this WhatsApp or Telegram, I think it
Mm.
has been mentioned in the quotation itself, like you will be contacting through the Telegram bot, right?
Yes, but I have not joined any Telegram group. I don't got
Maybe
any.
that link I can share you, and that link also I will be sharing with you along with this drive link. And
Okay.
Dr. Gasala, for your
Yeah.
kind information, as already mentioned, there is a Telegram group for tutor and participants. It's a boot actually, so only one participants can see their personal messages.
Okay.
Okay, so we can connect. And also regarding this files or any other data sets or any other things, files or study material, something kind of that you can
Mm.
share through Drive. Okay.
Mhm.
Google Drive.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
So that particular algorithm is used for uh, other task, that is protein interaction prediction, but it is not yet used for structure prediction.
Okay.
So we
Mhm.
can say that that is the novelty of the algorithm.
Okay. 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 I will look into it.
So, so anything else that I need to prepare till the next meeting?
Maybe I will update you by Wednesday, like midweek,
Okay.
so that meanwhile you can upload once you have the drive link, you can upload the data set and the reference papers.
Right. Okay.
So you can make different folder, one for the like data set reference papers, and
Mm.
other is for flowchart reference papers, methodology reference papers, so
Okay.
that we can keep it separate, right? It will be
Mm.
easy to understand.
Right. So, can we able to access that other language models? Are they available on Hugging Face?
Yeah, there are other language models as well. So that's why I'm saying that if this the model that we are selecting is not working well, then we will be selecting other models to see that which is working better with the data type that we have.
Okay. No, no. I am asking about the language model. Here mentioned
Mhm.
Protbot, ESM
Mhm.
1B,
Yeah.
ANKH, and Prot T5.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
Protbot and Prot T5, those are there on Hugging Face. These two
Yes.
are they also there on Hugging Face? ESM 1B and
The
ANKH.
other two I need to check. Actually, I was checking, but like right now I don't have file open. So I will maybe I will check and update you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, so here for today's meeting, it is mentioned project initiation and assigning task for module two.
Yeah, so we will be starting with the first module,
Hmm.
and then I will update you like what are the steps going on in the first module, so that we can move to the next module in next week after the meeting in the at the weekend.
So, ma'am, whatever coding you are doing,
Mhm.
can I check it in my system? So all the coding. So if I can able to implement all those code by
Yes.
my own, then that will be good to get.
Yeah, so
confidence.
for whichever Collab Pro we are taking
Hmm.
the license for that, we you can log in with that. I will
Okay.
provide
Hmm.
you the credentials.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
And suppose that particular code is explained in this week, and
Mhm.
after when within a week when I learn the code and when I got queries that I can ask in during next week Google Meet, right?
Yes, or even you can ask in the group also.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
yeah, that's not a problem. And if there is something which I need to explain in detail, so
Mm.
that we can discuss on weekend.
Okay. Right. And ma'am, can we able to complete within 9 weeks the project?
Yeah, so that's what I mentioned. Like target, we are keeping for 9 weeks only. But if it is required, then it may like move to 10 weeks. But let's start with positive note for 9 weeks only.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. No, so this there will be 9 successive weeks, right?
Yes, successive
Okay.
weeks.
Okay. So anything else that I need to share? One is a reference paper, then the paper relevant to the flowchart of the
Yeah.
methodology, and anything else?
And the data sets you can upload in the drive, or even direct links you can just add in a file, like separate doc, so that it will be easier for into access.
There is actually Python code. So by executing that code, the data set get directly uploaded from the official URL.
Yeah, so we need to provide those URL, right?
So shall I share that code from which we can upload?
So you have the URL for all the data sets that we are going to use in
Yes,
test.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that will be fine. You can share me that, like in
So
Drive.
I will share dataset also, as well
Mhm.
as I will share the URL also. So
Yes.
whichever is the convenient, we
So
can.
yeah, okay. But data set is larger size, so that's what I
Yes.
was wondering. The Google Drive will be loaded, so you can just share the link for that or within the
I will
script.
share the link because I have purchased Google Drive
Drive
space,
space.
more
Yeah.
space, because data set is
So what
large.
is the total size of the data? Like if we are adding all the data set.
Uh, Actually, it has crossed. 1 second, just I will check the.
I checked one for 20 GB, like around 20 GB.
Yes, around 20 GB. The data set which we are going to use for training, that is very large, and other data sets are not that much large.
Okay. So very large is what size?
Wait, that 20 or 25 GB something.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so you can just like share the link of those, like if it is in the Python script or like in the doc, so that
Uh,
we can retrieve them directly.
yes.
Okay. Yeah, that will be fine. I think
But
the drive link is shared to you.
yes, it is shared with me. I will upload all the material.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So by tonight you can upload, or by tomorrow morning, so that I can start from tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
And so, okay, we'll see, like we'll contact you on via boat if I have any query. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
The
you have
data
Telegram, right?
we need to use original data set to extract tokens using pre-trained
Yes.
language model. So
Right.
that data set also need large space on drive.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so that's why we need like AWS. So
Yes.
if we'll start with the smaller data set first, or the part of that large data set,
Mm.
and
Okay.
then if the whole algorithm and the process is working fine, then we will like follow the same pattern for the bigger data on AWS, so that it will take less time on AWS.
Right. That will be better. So we will reach to the end, complete flow,
Yes.
and then we'll just scale the
Follow
data.
the same. Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
I don't think like
Clarification of.
I think everything is fine by as of now. So if there is any query, if you have any query or I have any query, we can
Mm.
ask directly in chatbot. Keep your notifications for Telegram on, so that you will be getting the notification if there is.
Okay.
Because sometimes we are on the like analysis phase within the certain step, and we need to ask something. So need to be there to
Okay.
connect.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So drive link has been shared in the chat. Also, Swati, you can join this Telegram bot.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can post your queries there. In case if you didn't get any reply, you can also send me a direct message so that I can redirect it to Dr. Kasam. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And anything else need to be sorted out now?
No, I think it's clear by now.
Okay.
So
So
maybe
when are you planning for our next session?
next session will be on the next weekend, Saturday or Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday. So will it be a continuous session or weekend sessions? What is that? What is your take on this?
Weekend sessions.
Only weekends.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it is required after maybe 2 or 3 weeks, when if AWS require, then maybe we have some sessions in between. But as of now, what is decided is for weekend sessions.
Okay, Vasudha. So it will be 22nd Saturday, right? And the timing, your convenient time will be?
I think this time is fine for March, and
Okay.
after March we can see if Swati needs to change it.
And Swati, is this okay for you? 8 p.m.
Yes. Yes, no problem.
Okay. So I think
Now, the
yes.
meeting link will be same or it will change next time?
No, it will be changing. Hope you have received the meeting link, right?
Yes, yes, got it.
It's 2 days back. It's I think it should be. Yeah. We have mailed. Okay. No
Yes.
problem. If you didn't receive also, I can send you a message on that. Okay. Please giving connection. Okay. I will just share you that. Okay.
Pardon?
You can be connected with me so that I can share you the link. Okay. I thought you might have received a mail since it is
Yes,
a
yes. Actually, due to that timing, I got confused.
yes,
And
even I am not sure
instead
why
of
it has been changed
SBC,
this.
instead of SBC, the mail ID also was different. So I got
Okay,
confused.
okay, okay, no problem. I will
Mm.
share it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
And thank you, Gasal.
Yes, welcome.